In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Gmail app on your MacBook. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can download Gmail as an app on your computer. Now, the very first thing you need to do is make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your Mac. So if you don't already have this, you can go and download Google Chrome for free and then just go and open up the Google Chrome browser. Now, all you need to do is go and head over to the Google website and then you can click on Gmail in the top right hand side. Now, once you're on Gmail, you need to click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of the browser. And then you need to scroll down to Cast, Save and Share, and then you can click on Install Page as App. You can go and change the name. I'm going to leave this as Gmail and then press install. Now, as you can see, this is going to install Gmail as its own application. And you can see that this works independently from an internet browser. So I can go and close out of my internet and obviously Gmail is still open. You can even see the Gmail icon in the bottom of the taskbar. And if you need to go and open this in the future, you can just come over to the Launchpad and you can see now Gmail has been added to our list of applications. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.